A mouse-sized video rental store has appeared in the streets of the city of Malmo, one of the latest works by Anony Mouse, the Sweden-based artists collective, who have installed tiny pop-up shops and restaurants in cities around the world. The View Mouster VHS rental store appeared in a street in the center of the southern Swedish city late last year, with minuscule, rodent-related videotapes and film posters, such as Goodfellas, Fromage Gump, and Apocalypse Meow, decorating its windows. Residents of the city where Anony Mouse have installed their works before said they were pleased to see the latest installation.
I'm not an critics when it comes to art, but that's the originality. I think it's the most, and the hard work. It's the miniature, how they sit. Probably they sit home somewhere and figure it out together, and then they put it in here, and they find the location, whatever in town, which fits the thing they have. Probably they have doing some research before.
I mean, I actually think it's great. I've seen it before around the city, and I'm very lucky that I was just walking by now and I happened to see it. So I'm very happy. I wish to see more around, actually.
The collective has not revealed its members, and it has displayed works elsewhere in Europe and North America.